Hi, I'm Darryl. Welcome to the shop. Today, we're going to be taking a look at an exciting new product from Robert Sorby, the SteadyPRO. Let's get to it.
The SteadyPRO provides support when hollowing as well as other wood turning operations. Included in the box is the fully assembled SteadyPRO jig, as well as a wrench for adjustment and a step-by-step user guide. The SteadyPRO can be made to fit a wide variety of machines by adding an accessory modular tool post. Once you have selected the correctly sized tool post, simply screw it into the base of the SteadyPRO and assembly is complete. Now that you have assembled your SteadyPRO, simply install it in the banjo of your lathe.
Install the tool by passing the bar under the rear roller and allowing it to rest on the front roller. Position the tool so that it is more or less parallel to the floor and tighten the locking screws. Now that the tool is securely locked in place, set the cutting height such that the tool is cutting on center. Ensuring that the tool is in contact with both rollers and keeping your hands clear of the rollers, you may approach the work and start to cut. You will notice right away how well supported your cuts are using the SteadyPRO, allowing you to focus on your desired shape or design. The SteadyPRO can be used with many of the tools in the Robert Sorby Hollowing Tools line, including the Sovereign Ultima, the Multi-Tip tool, the HollowMaster, and any of the Turnmaster range, just to name a few. In addition to hollowing functions, the SteadyPRO can be used for internal and external shaping, utilizing any of the Turnmaster range and most other insert type tools, as well as scrapers. It is my opinion that the best feature of the SteadyPRO is the quick and easy setup. Most hollowing jigs take a good deal of time to set up and use, containing lots of parts and complicated setups. The versatile SteadyPRO allows you to quickly and easily handle most of your hollowing needs, using a wide variety of tools, and is compatible with most lathes on the market. And we are sure you will find it to be a valuable addition to your wood turning toolset.